diversity. Out in the bay we use our nets to catch fish and get our pants wet. While we devoted full time to learning at Boat Marine.
Out there all the fish is happy because they're so safe and sound. They live in an aquarium where they never frown. The fish in the bowl is lucky, they're in for a better fate. One day when they get real healthy, biodiversity's gonna be great.
Under the sea, under the sea. When people eat us, then we decrease in diversity. We want our land folks all to cook, but we want to stop them with our hooks. We have some troubles when they curtain our biodiversity. Under the sea, life would be sweeter if they would leave our estuary. Even the surgeon and the ray, they get the urge and start to play. But when there's pollution, we can't do all of these things. The newt play the flute, the carp play the harp, the plays play the bass and they sound the drum. The pot play the brass, the chub play the tub. The flute is a duke of soul. Yeah, the ray he can play the leaves on the strings. The truck rocking up, the blackfish she sings, the smelt in the sprout. Biodiversity words, blow that blowfish blow. Under the sea, when we are hungry, we have a party under the sea. Why do we have so much for life? Now we don't worry about strife. Each little claim here know how to jam here under the sea. Each little slug here catches a right here.